Former FBI Director James Comey's indictment, a controversial move with political underpinnings, a shocking development unveiled. Former FBI Director James Comey has been indicted on 2 counts, marking a significant escalation in President Trump's pursuit of his political adversaries. This move has sparked intense debate and raised questions about the use of the Justice Department as a tool for political retribution. The charges and their impact. Comey faces charges of making false statements and obstructing justice, stemming from his Senate testimony nearly 5 years ago. The indictment alleges that Comey authorized an anonymous source, a claim he denied during his 2020 testimony before the Senate Judiciary Committee. This denial, according to the indictment, was materially false, fictitious, and fraudulent. The indictment further highlights the alleged leak involving Andrew McCabe, Comey's former deputy, and the role of a Wall Street Journal reporter in obtaining information about the Clinton investigation. Comey's statements during an interview with investigators have also come under scrutiny, with the Inspector General's report suggesting a lack of candor on McCabe's part. A controversial interpretation. Here's where it gets controversial. The indictment does not explicitly mention McCabe or Comey's friend, Daniel Richman, by name. This omission has led some to question the motives behind the charges and whether they are politically motivated. The role of Lindsey Halligan. The charges were spearheaded by Lindsey Halligan, the former defense lawyer and White House aide appointed by President Trump to lead the U.S. Attorney's Office for the Eastern District of Virginia. Halligan's appointment came amid concerns about the sudden departure of Eric Siebert, the previous acting U.S. attorney, and allegations of pressure from the president and his allies to bring charges against New York Attorney General Letitia James. President Trump's frustration and motives. President Trump has publicly expressed frustration with the lack of action against Comey, James, and Democratic Senator Adam Schiff. He has warned that the perceived inaction is killing our reputation and credibility. The indictment can be seen as a response to this frustration and an attempt to assert his authority over political opponents. A call for justice or political retribution? The indictment has sparked a debate. Is this a legitimate pursuit of justice, or is it a politically motivated move? Attorney General Pam Bondi's statement emphasizes the need to hold those in power accountable, but critics argue that the timing and circumstances surrounding the charges raise questions about their legitimacy. Comey's response and the battle ahead. Comey has asserted his innocence and expressed confidence in the federal judicial system. His attorney, Patrick J. Fitzgerald, has vowed to vindicate him in court. The former FBI director is set to be arraigned in Alexandria, Virginia, and the case has been assigned to Judge Michael S. Nachmanoff. A complex web of political intrigue. The Comey indictment is just one thread in a complex web of political intrigue and legal battles. President Trump's efforts to target his opponents and the use of federal resources for personal gain have been a source of contention. The indictment adds another layer to this ongoing saga, leaving many questions unanswered and inviting further scrutiny and debate. What are your thoughts on this development? Is this a fair pursuit of justice, or a politically motivated move? Feel free to share your opinions and engage in the discussion in the comments below.